Hi everyone, today we're going to fix our lawn aerator. So what we've already done, we heated this up and bent it all straight because it was kinked a bit. Now what we're going to do is we're going to extend this tongue and put some tube on it, do a bit of maybe drilling and maybe some welding. So stay tuned. So what we're going to do, we've unbolted this, which goes over the hitch of your tractor or pinhole or whatever. So we've taken that off. We've got some pretty heavy duty tube here. So we're going to put this tube on, drill holes through it to extend our lawn aerator because it's pretty short. So essentially we're just going to create a drawbar for our lawn aerator, because right now when it's hooked up to the tractor it's right back there, and sometimes if you turn too sharp it hits the tires. So we'll show you what we're going to do, a few processes. So right now we're drilling out for these holes, which will go into, the tube's going to go into there. So we're going to drill that out right now. Yeah. So we've got our pilot hole already, now we're drilling a final hole for our tube hole. Good thing you got my work boots on. Remember, not so much pressure when you break through, okay? Yeah. Alright, so we finished our extension of our tongue. So you can see how short it used to be and what it is now. So I just used a bunch of leftover parts I had kicking around, nuts, bolts, some threaded rod, the lock washers, piece of 2x2 tube, and then we salvaged the tongue that used to be on here, and I just need to get a better pin for there, but for now that'll work. And then what I put back here is some concrete blocks. What you could do is some Allen blocks or cinder blocks, fill them full of concrete in the middle, fit 4 of them on there, 4 or 5, and works good. And these spikes really dig down a few inches, which is nice too. And the other thing I gotta find is when you bring this lever back, it lifts up the wheels and back, so the lever comes back, and right here there used to be a little keeper, like linchpin type thing. I'm not sure if that's the right word, but so we'll find one of those. And not bad for, I think I bought this thing for $40 from a guy that was selling his acreage. So all right, this should work a lot better. I'm gonna get my son to test it out. Pull that lever all the way back. This will just be a dry run. All right, get in the tractor. Let's go in a circle. See how that drawbar works. Watch out for the rocks. The snow's all finally melted here. That's nice. Looks like we got a bit of a whole situation going on here. That'll probably be an upcoming video too. I gotta pop this lid off, rewire our septic tank controls. They broke down Boxing Day. So I was out here minus 20 trying to fix the wiring that was all rusted apart. So, all right, seems to be working good. All right, thanks for your help. How long did that take us? An hour? That's a pretty good hour spent. All right, stay tuned for the next video.